Hi everyone, welcome back. In the last video, we learned about company, cost center, and supervisory organization, three of Workday's most important building blocks. Today, we'll go one step further and see how all these pieces connect in Workday's organization hierarchy. Let's see what is an organization in Workday. In Workday, an organization is simply a way of grouping people, jobs, and resources for a specific purpose like reporting, security, or financial tracking. Organizations help Workday know where someone belongs, who manages them, and how process flow. Let's see what are the types of organizations. Supervisory organization and non-supervisory organizations. Supervisory organizations groups employees and makes all the employees to be the part of the organization hierarchy. Without supervisory organization, we cannot hire an employee and get a member into the system. Supervisory organization created for managers only. Groups people based on the reporting lines. Determines workflow approvals and manager assignments. Non-supervisory organizations. When implementing, supporting, configuring employees, job information, these non-supervisory organizations play an important role. Company. For each country we have a company, which means legal entity is established in each country. Specific establishment based on the legal entity for an organization, adding company to the supervisory organization. Cost center tracks all the financial expenses that are happening for the supervisory organization, for the employee, for the entity, and represents a legal entity. Tracks budgets and expenses, and it drives payroll, compliance, and statutory reporting. When we create supervisory organization to manage any kind of employee data, any kind of compliance, information to track any kind of expenses that are happening at supervisory organizational level. These company and cost centers are required. Region outside of base location, whatever our primary responsibilities that we are taking care on, work related activities that we are focusing on, that location will be considered as a region. Groups multiple location under one larger area, adding region to the supervisory organization outside of the base location where employee responsibilities are managed. Location defines office location, base location of employee. Custom organizations optional, which are optional. Project organizations for grouping workers by project. Matrix organizations for cross-functional structures. How organization hierarchy works. Think of the hierarchy as layers that connect. For example, like worker is connected to supervisory org, and then it is connected to the company, cost center, and location region. The worker belongs to a supervisory organization that defines their manager. That supervisory organization belongs to a company, which is legal entity. The worker is also assigned to a cost center for budgeting. They have a location. Example like New York, which belongs to a region. Let's see. Here is a region. That is North America. Which have the location, that is New York office. Let's say New York. Which have a company, ABC Inc. USA. Supervisory org. North America IT department, which is connected to worker like Bob. And this is also connected to cost center so that it can all the financial transactions can be tracked. That is in infrastructure. Bob works in New York office, which belongs to North America region, and he works in ABC company in the North America IT supervisory org, which is tracking using the cost center. Let's see what are the interview questions on this. What is an organization in Workday? It's a grouping of workers, jobs, or resources for purposes like reporting, security, or financial tracking. And how is a supervisory organization different from a cost center? A supervisory org defines reporting, relationships, and workflow approvals, while a cost center is for budgeting and expense tracking. Can a worker belong to multiple organizations in Workday? Yes, a worker belongs to multiple types of organizations at the same time. For example, a supervisory org, a company, a cost center, and a location. Why is organization hierarchy important in Workday? It ensures correct data flow for reporting, approvals, payroll, compliance, and integrations. These are few of the interview questions you may expect. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Please like and share, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. Thank you.